Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, let us discuss about error handling. A simple if statement can check whether your variable is empty or not. Unless statement is just an opposite of if statement. Ternary operator can do anything in if else in just one line. There are also other functions like warn, die, croak, cluck, eval functions which are used to identify bugs in your code. Now let us see some examples.
Firstly, by using an if statement. For this, create a variable called string and make it empty. If you want to check whether a variable is empty or not, just use an if statement. Print a message like variable is defined, else is not defined. Test it. This is how you can check whether a variable is empty or not by using an if statement. Now let us see an example of unless. For this, for each on numbers from 0 to 10 unless it is 5, just print that number. That means we are going to have all the numbers except 5. 5 is not there. Unless is one of the way to handle your errors. Next is by using a ternary operator. For this, create a hash. This is a hash reference and assign some values. Now check whether the key Python exists or not. As this is a hash reference, we have to use an arrow. If the key exists, then delete that key. Else, just say key not exists. It has deleted. Now what if this key is not there? It prints the statements from else block. That means from this one. Next is by using a die function. For this, let us take an example while opening a file. If you are trying to open a file which do not exist, just die the script throwing the error. $0 throws the error and this is our customized message. Close the file handle. This is how you can do file handling error. Next is warn function. For this, I want to take some input from the command prompt, chomp it, warn the function if the name starts with T. For this, use a regular expression starting with T. Let us test it. This is the customized message which we have written. Now let us see some error handling in package modules. To get a detailed error from packages, use a module called carp. For this I have created a package where it has a subroutine called error function and it has one parameter to be caught. Use carp and then just give the error message. Inside your script, just call the subroutine. Now test it. This is how you can carp. Instead of carp, you can just give warn function also. This is just a warning. And also it mentions the package module name. Next is cluck function. In carp, if you want to use cluck, while you are using cluck function, then you can just get the error followed by the package name and also which subroutine the error is coming from. Next is crock. When using crock, you just get the error, customized error, followed by the line. Next is confess. When you are using confess, it is more of same as cluck. You get the subroutine name as well.